Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a Wi-Fi network onto your Realme 11 Pro Plus. Now let's begin! And we can begin by simply expanding our control center and then clicking the Wi-Fi icon. We can also press and hold it. So as you can see, we have now it enabled. Now, you want to locate the network of your choosing. I will choose this one. And now you want to simply input its password. Alternatively, we can go back and we can click this icon to scan a QR code. Then we probably want to ask our friend or roommate or whoever else to enter their Wi-Fi settings and show their Wi-Fi network QR code so we can easily log in. But if you don't have a friend, or if you live alone, or if they don't have the QR code option, you want to click the network of your choosing and then input the password. Of course, if you don't know where the password is, you can always find it usually below or next to the router, usually as some sort of sticker. But anyway, let's hit OK, and if the password is correct, we are now connected to our internet and we can just freely use it however we like. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.